Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to cancel Fitness Connection membership. Without wasting much time, let's dive into the video. First, how to cancel Fitness Connection membership via the phone. Fitness Connection has a member service team that you can contact to cancel your membership. Here are the steps to follow. First, make sure to call during working hours. The default working hours are from 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. from Monday to Friday. However, the support doesn't work or closes early on most holidays. Second, ask to speak an agent. The number of the support team is 800-922-7898. Once you established the connection, follow the instruction to talk to an agent. Third, tell them you want to cancel your account. You will receive instruction and agent might require your additional details such as full name and other personal information. In fourth, ask for confirmation email or message. You will probably receive it anyway, but it's important to get it to have proof that you cancelled. If it doesn't arrive in 24 hours, call the support team again. Now, another question arrived. Can you cancel Fitness Connection subscription at your local club? Yes, it's possible to do it in your chosen Fitness Connection club, and here's how. Check if the club is open. You will need to check the working hours, and you can get this information if you visit the locations page. Visit the club, ask for a receptionist to help you with the cancellation process. They will gladly help or refer you to another employee who will handle your request. You can also call your home club. It's also possible to cancel if you call the home club during its working hour. Now, account cancellation conditions. Members are required to have a valid reason to cancel. Fitness Connection will only approve a membership cancellation if its initial contract commitment period ends. Additional valid reasons include military or chronic health conditions. Second, individuals should provide a 30-day notice. A second billing cycle should take place. Members will have access to all gym service until their membership expires. Customer may incur additional charges after canceling. You will still be charged if another billing occurs within your 30-day notice cancellation period. Now, another question is, what else you should know before you enter the Fitness Connection cancel membership process? In case you have any confusion regarding your Fitness Connection membership or its cancellation, you might find the answer to the desired question below. Question number 1. When do you pay the annual fee? Question number 2. Is it possible to freeze your Fitness Connection membership? Question number 3. Can you cancel Fitness Connection membership anytime? Can you change or downgrade your Fitness Connection membership? Another thing to consider is that changing your membership plan might activate a new 12-month commitment. Fitness Connection will consider the date of the subscription change as the date when your new membership commitment started. So make sure you are okay with that. So there you have it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks and tutorials. And as always, if you have any question, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.